Goliath Resources is pleased to release the results from our 2023 exploration season that saw us dive deep into the heart of the enigmatic Cambria ice fields, where we are discovering recently unearthed secrets that were once frozen in time. Extensive prospecting and mapping occurred over the entirety of the property in preparation for 2024 drilling. In 2022, Goliath Resources acquired over 34,000 hectares of the newly staked claims to the immediate north of the Golddigger property. These are known as the ice fields, which encompasses 56 kilometers of the red line in an area where recent snowpack and glacial abatement has provided extensive zones of newly exposed outcrop in a world-class geologic setting. More than 75 targets with excellent discovery potential were initially targeted on the ice field properties, based on geochemical data, geophysical surveys, structural maps, satellite imagery, and satellite spectral alteration data. A number of these new targets on the ice fields already show early signs of a strong mineralizing system at play. 9.5 kilometers east of Stewart, British Columbia is the high-grade gold-copper Treasure Island discovery that consists of extensive bonanza-grade outcrops and mineralized corridors up to 20 meters wide, with an area 550 by 450 square meters and grades up to 28.08 grams per ton gold equivalent that remains wide open and drill ready. Additional high-grade gold-silver base metal showings recently discovered include Metallica, with up to 6.26 grams per ton gold equivalent, Big One, with up to 19.25 grams per ton gold equivalent, and Honeypot, with up to 2.44 grams per ton gold equivalent, which all remain open and are being prepared for future drilling. The new high-grade full contact discovery is located 19 kilometers northwest of the Sherbet Zone on the Cambrian ice fields. It consists of a 1.4 kilometer trend on the red line, the contact between Stahini and Hazelton Group rocks, within which multiple gossinous zones have been identified and remains open. The area contains multiple silicified zones, quartz veins up to 14 meters wide, and shear zones containing strong, widespread gold sulfide mineralization over a 700-meter trend, with grades up to 101.13 grams per ton gold equivalent, and remains open in all directions. A 70-meter wide zone of mineralized quartz veins and breccia has been identified in the immediate surrounding of the 101.13 gram per ton gold equivalent sample. This zone is drill ready and can quickly evolve into a significant new discovery. Additional follow-up work along the 1.4 kilometer trend that remains open in all directions will include further prospecting, channel cutting, and mapping to outline the full extent of this discovery in preparation for drilling. The Treasure Island discovery consists of mineralized bedrock outcrops that have been newly exposed by glacial melt, multiple shear-hosted polymetallic zones with a northwest-southeast trend, covering an area of at least 550 by 450 meters, and remains open in all directions. Based on the extensive and consistent high-grade massive to semi-massive sulfides confirmed in just under 7 days of boots on the newly exposed bedrock, the team strongly believes this find, through drilling, could rapidly become another material discovery on the Golddigger property. Our team focused on prospecting, channel cutting, and mapping with great success. 15 out of the 16 channel cuts assayed greater than 1 gram per ton gold equivalent, which corresponds to a remarkable 94% of channel cuts collected on Treasure Island to date, along with 13 out of the 19 grab and chip samples assaying greater than 1 gram per ton gold equivalent, which corresponds to 68% of the chip and grab samples collected on Treasure Island, yielding significant gold values. Mineralized domains are up to 20 meters wide, with sections of massive chalcopyrite and pyrite occupying shears, forming sulfide-rich mineralization at structural intersections and embayment zones, within the strongly folded and sheared mudstones, siltstones, and tufaceous units. Mineralization discovered on Treasure Island follows the same northwest-southeast trend as nearby deposits. The Porter, Idaho mine is situated 6 kilometers to the west of Treasure Island, and between 1922 and 1950 it produced over 27,000 tons of ore, averaging 0.97 grams per ton gold, 2,700 grams per ton silver, and significant amounts of lead, zinc, and copper. 4 kilometers to the east of Treasure Island, the Red Mountain deposit is found with an inferred resource of over 400,000 tons, grading at 5.32 grams per ton gold and 7.33 grams per ton silver. The new Treasure Island target is drill ready and will be tested during the 2024 drilling campaign, with at least 2,000 meters of drilling from 5 separate pads. The Treasure Island target demonstrates the excellent untapped potential for additional discoveries on Golddigger's property, which encompasses 56 kilometers of the Red Line and could quickly evolve into another material discovery. These ice fields have held their secrets close for eons. We're on a mission to crack the ice and its mineral potential wide open. Stay tuned for more exciting results. Goliath is on track with discovery.